Now, if you're a fan of my content, you're gonna enjoy this creative redundancy, the one known as CR. And here we go. So, it's raining outside, so I'm gonna utilize the water that Mother Nature is gonna provide here. I've got the screen right here. You can see it's got a lot of dust over it. The fan blade right here. Rainwater right here that I gathered. I've probably seen this container before. Just gonna grab a broom. Clean this off. Starting to look better already. Do the exact same thing. Using the broom. Remember everyone, I'm just using rainwater right here to wash this with. And yeah, I could run a hose if I really wanted, but I mean, like, I don't need to because it's raining outside and I got plenty of rainwater to spare for this. Just gonna touch up on the edges here, right around there. So it looks so much better now. So if you're a fan of what you just saw here, well, give me a thumbs up. I would greatly appreciate it.
As our world changes, we can adapt too. Skill and knowledge get better with practice. Can't help everyone, but one can help someone.